Today, let's look at how to determine whether a coupon bond is selling at a discount or premium. Now, firstly, let's look at this table. First, it says when the bond price is greater than the face value. So when the bond price is greater than the face value of the bond, we say the bond trades above par or at a premium, most commonly. And this occurs when the coupon rate of the bond is higher than the yield to maturity. Okay? Then we have another scenario when the bond price is equal to the face value. So when P is equal to the face value, we say the bond trades at par. And this occurs when the coupon rate is the same as the yield to maturity. And finally, when the bond price is less than the face value, we say the bond trades below par or at a discount. And this occurs when the coupon rate is lower than the yield to maturity. So make sure to remember this table. Now let's look at an exercise. This exercise says consider 3 30-year bonds with annual coupon payments. One bond has a 10% coupon rate, one has a 5% coupon rate, and one has a 3% coupon rate. If the yield to maturity of each bond is 5%, what is the price of each bond per $100 face value? Which bond trades at a premium, which trades at a discount, and which trades at par? The formula we need to apply in order to solve this exercise is this one. So the formula for the price of a bond. Now, as you can see, in order to use this formula, we need to know the coupons of the bond, then the yield to maturity, the end amount of periods there are, and the face value. Okay. So let's calculate the price of the first 30-year bond. Now, the first 30-year bond has a 10% coupon rate. Okay? 10% coupon rate. So let's write down what we know. We know that the coupon, which is 10% of the face value, so we know the coupon is $10. Then we know that the yield to maturity, denoted by Y, is 5%, and this is the same for all bonds. Then we know that there's 30 periods because it's a 30-year bond. And finally, we know that the face value is $100. So we have everything we need to apply the formula. Okay, so let's calculate the price of the 10% coupon bond. Okay, so coupon, which is $10, times 1 over the yield to maturity in decimal places is 0.05. Open brackets, 1 minus 1 over 1 plus the yield to maturity to the power of n periods, so 30, plus the face value, 100, over 1 plus the yield to maturity to the power of n. Now, if you plug this into the calculator, you should get that the price of the 10% coupon bond is equal to $176.86. Okay? Now, as you can see, this is higher than the face value of $100. Therefore, we can say that this bond trades at a premium. Okay? Therefore, trades at a premium. Okay. Let's look at the second bond. The second bond has a 5% coupon rate. So again, we applied the same formula, but this time with a 5% coupon rate. 5% coupon rate of $100 is $5. So we know that the coupon in this case is $5, and the rest is going to be the same. So 5 times 1 over the yield to maturity, which is 5%. Open brackets, 1 minus 1 over 1 plus the yield to maturity to the power of 30 plus the face value, 1 plus the yield to maturity to the power of 30. Now, if you plug this into your calculator, you should get that the price of this 5% coupon bond is equal to $100 exactly. Now, as you can see, this is the same as the face value. Therefore, we can say that this bond trades at par. And let's look at the last bond. This last bond has a 3% coupon rate. Therefore, we know that the coupons are going to be $3, right? 3% of 100. And then we apply the same formula. So the price of this bond is going to be 3 times 1 over the yield to maturity. Open brackets, 1 minus 1 over 1.05. 30 plus 100 over 1.05 to the power of 30. Again, this should give you 69.26. And therefore we can see that this is lower than the face value. Therefore we can say that this bond, this 3% coupon bond, trades at a discount. Excellent. So now we've answered the question for all bonds. Now let me know down in the comments if this is clear. Otherwise, let me know down in the comments.